Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. I'm trying this recording with my new document camera. So I told you that I was going to help you guys with what this was going to look like. These are all symbols that you'll see in geometry next year. So what this means is, what is the equation of line AB? So as you connect line AB, you're going to need two things in order to write your equations. You're going to need your M, and you're going to need your B. My M is my slope, and my B is my y-intercept. What is my y-intercept of equation AB? It makes it very easy for us because it's already point what?
3, negative 3.
A, which is negative 3. When you have the points so easily marked like this, I personally think rise over run might be the easiest way to do our slope for this. And so when I look at this line, first of all, is the slope going to be positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive. So that means that I'm going to go up how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to get to B. Oops. My M is my slope, my B is negative 3. Ooh. So 6 is on top for my M, and then I went over how many? 1, 2, 3. What's 6 divided by 3?
2.
2. My equation is then substituting in for M is 2x, what's my B?
Negative.
Minus 3. Do we have one of those answers down at the bottom? Yeah, we have AS, so I can cross that out that way. When we go to numbers 1, we put A for 1 and S for 1.
What time do we get out?
5:30.
5:30.
Yeah.
It's good. No, it's doing.
You're being recorded, sweetie, just to let you know.
Yeah.
All right. So line CB. For number 2, for CB, what's my y-intercept? Ladies, what's my y-intercept?
Number 2, right?
For CB.
CB.
Where does the graph cross the y-axis? At 1. Eric, do you need to get out your packet? Yeah. Is my slope positive or negative?
Negative. No, positive.
Positive. So that means that I can go from the low point to the high point to count out my slope. If I go up 2, 1, 2, that means I have a positive 2 on the top. And then I go over how many? 1, 2, 3 to get to B. So what's my slope?
2 over 3.
My M is 2 over 3. My B is 1. How do I write my equation?
Y equals 1 or just A plus 2 over 3.
You switched your M and your B.
Oh my god, I mean 2 over 3 A. Wait, what?
Plus 1. And we have one of these down there, and that's NE. So I'm going to go to number 2. I'm going to put N and E. Homework packet number 6. Line DE comes next. Do you need to grab just a piece of paper? You just need to grab a piece of paper there? Because the copier is giving me a hard time. You don't have this one? With DE, my y-intercept is at where? Negative 4? We following along, guys? DE, is my slope positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative. Okay, so starting at point D, I go down 1, 2, 3, 4. Going down means I have what type of 4 on the top?
Negative.
Negative. And then I go over how many to go to E?
1, 2. 2.
So what's negative 4 divided by 2?
Negative 2.
Because Eric, you're doing this with me, so if you just put your numbers, that's totally fine. So I have my M is negative 2 and my B is negative 4. So what's my equation of DE? Y equals negative 2x minus 4. I plugged in my M and I plugged in my B. Do we have a 2x plus 4? Negative 2x plus 4? Minus 4 rather?
Yeah.
What numbers or what letters? TH. Eric, all I'm concerned with is if you're just doing this part right here. That's totally fine if you do that. Sorry, you're getting a shout out in the video. All right, FG. My y-intercept. That one's kind of tricky. What's my B? Anyone, are you following along?
Oh my god.
What's my y-intercept? This point right here is negative 1. Is the line FG, this big long line right here, FG, is this a positive sloping line or a negative sloping line?
Negative.
Negative. So I know that my slope needs to be negative. All the way at the top, all the way to the bottom to G, I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I went down 9. And then over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But I can simplify that. What can I simplify negative 9 over 6 to be?
So it's 3 over 2.
Here's my M. Here's my B. How do I write my equation then? Y equals negative 3 over 2 x minus 1. I plugged in my M and I plugged in my B. HI is my last one for this set right here. What's my y-intercept for number HI? What's my y-intercept? Where does this line cross the y-axis? That's at what point? 5. Good. Is my slope positive or negative if this is the line? Positive. Oops, sorry guys, I'm getting a parent call. Hello?